copy source to target. This action allows you to copy the source text directly into the target language panel, including all tags and markups. Once the segments are filtered so that only those you wish to copy are shown, select Copy Source to Target from the drop-down Actions menu. In the Batch Action pop-up window, you will need to define the action further. Begin by choosing the desired target language panel from the drop-down menu. Then, next to Options, you will need to decide if the source text should only be copied into untranslated segments. By default, the system is enabled to only copy the source text into empty target text segments. If you deselect this option, then all the source text segments will be copied over to the selected target language panel, overriding any existing translations. Clicking Apply will open the Segment Updates panel where you can choose to change the statuses or bookmarks of the selected segments. You can save your preferences for these options by selecting the box next to Remember this choice before clicking Apply. You will then be reminded that this action cannot be undone and you must click Apply again to complete the action. You are then shown the Batch Action Report where you can see how many of the segments were updated and what action was completed. Simply click Close to return to the working space and see the now updated segments. Because we chose only to copy the text into untranslated or empty segments, some segments now contain the source language while others contain the target language translations.